Hello everyone, today we're using the Foilcraft Junior machine and we're going to stamp onto a lovely wallet here. This particular product we'd like to print on the inside, so what I've done is I've opened the wallet and you can see that as it folds open, the crease of the wallet might get in the way of the print area of the machine. To avoid that, we've taped the wallet to a mounting block and just held it out of the way to make sure that nothing prints incorrectly when we stamp in a moment. So to help with alignment, I'm first going to stamp onto a piece of acetate, and we've put some cardstock underneath to prevent any of the heated platen damaging the leather whilst we conduct this test. So now we're going to go for that. Here we go. And this is just so that we can help to align the product, make sure that we're going to print where we wish to go. And we can see that the acetate is going to show us where the stamp is going to land here in a moment. We can remove the acetate because we're happy with the position. Add some foil. And then stamp. So then we carefully remove the foil. And there's the finished result.